What's up, subscribers and viewers? There has been a freaking car crash. Wow. There's another one in my freaking channel. There's another one in my channel. /gmail, blah, 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 blah. We not have a Facebook or Twitter account, so don't follow me on Twitter.
Casa me está bañada para que te pongas guapo para ahorita en la noche.
Yeah. So there has been a freaking car crash. Everybody watched. I just thought it just re-raced. Everybody's watching except day 3. But look, there's a lot of cops and firefighters around. And here's my tío. Hey, hola tío.
Hola tío.
Okay. Yeah. Don't judge me. He's from Chicago. I'm from here. So. Holy, wow, WTF, man, WTF. There's like a freaking thing in my screen while I'm freaking recording. What is that? Yeah. What is it, a light? Is that a light or what?
Han de estar muertos ya, por eso no se apuran los bomberos a sacarlos.
Holy shit. So look, there's like stuff, everything. What the heck is it?
Míralo, ahí lo lleva, míralo. Mira. Tómale. Mira, hace más para acá. Vete para allá.
¿Dónde?
Vente. Ahí viene, míralo.
My God, you have a body. Look. Holy.
Acá está la camilla. Me va a pasar, Ya todo bañado en sangre.
Yeah, that's just dang, man. Dig-a-lane. He's out of sight. You can see him a little bit. Like, yeah, right there. Like, did you see that freaking body? What? Well, guys, see you later. I'm just kidding. Hello, let me just record a little bit because this is just crazy. YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't know how to do the description thing, so don't judge me. I'm 10. Merry Christmas. And yes, right now when I made this video, it's Christmas, so don't fucking judge me. Hold up. Look. Hold up. What the heck is that thing? Ten.
¿Por qué la quieres?
Porque cuando hago así me duele.
No, pues ya paga, ¿para qué? Ya lo sacaron, van a ver.
I think they're gonna flip her.
Yo sé la ambulancia. Ni lloran. Yo creo que ya se murió por eso.
Show is over. Alright. See you guys later. 5 minutes. It's been a freaking long time. It's been more than a half an hour. Actually, more than an hour. So, subscribe and become. Oh my God, what should I say? Become a freaking hero. Become a freaking hero and fight out there. Fight out there for your country and live. Make people live. Don't do it just for yourself. Do it for me. Actually, so bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.